not dead, I'm just floating right between the ink of your tattoo and the belly of the beast you've turned into. I'm not scared, I'm just changing right beyond the cigarette and my devilish smile. Oh, right beyond the cigarette and my devilish smile. Oh, right beyond the cigarette and my devilish smile. Right beyond the cigarette and my devilish smile. You're my crack of sunlight.
Hello and welcome to my channel. To start this makeup look, I put the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable foundation on my face, and this is in the shade 101 Classic Ivory, and the brush that I'm using to blend this in is a big face blending brush by Primark. I then put on some concealer, and this is the My Perfect Colour liquid concealer, and this is also by Primark. This is in the shade Nude Beige, and then I blend it out with the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion makeup sponge. To set all of that, I use the Fenty Invisimatte blotting powder. Because I'm wearing a bright orange wig in this look, I decided to make my eyebrows orange by using a FacePaint by Snazaroo. I then go back with that concealer that I used earlier and use it as an eye primer. So I put it all over my lid and then get the Real Techniques beauty sponge and just blend it out. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'll be using this neon coral shade called Slow Burn. At the moment, all I'm doing is putting it on a fluffy brush and blending it into my crease. I then move on to another neon orange shade, and this is in the LaRoc Beginners Collection 120 Summer Eyeshadow Tones palette. I firstly blend this into the crease over the top of the previous shadow, and then I slowly bring it out at the corner up to my temples and really blend this out. I'm creating like a C shape around my eyebrow. Then to really blend this out and make it look airbrushed, I use a really big blush brush and just go over it and blend and blend and blend. While I'm doing this, this shadow does slowly go down on to my cheekbones, but this is fine, this actually looks really cute. Once I've done that, I get that same shadow and just place it all over the lid. For lashes, I got this set of eyelashes off of Amazon, and each pair has a colour in it, so they're not just plain black. So the colour I went for is the red pair. But before I do this, I apply some Rimmel Wonderfully Real mascara. Not only are these lashes really fluffy and natural, but they're also not in your face with the colour. So this has a lot of black hairs as well as red hairs, and you wouldn't necessarily notice it unless you were up close. Now we are making the Tears of Blood. I did do this before I started the makeup look, but I thought it would be quite fitting to put them in now. I hope that's okay. So what I did is get a hot glue gun on, this is like a plastic cutting mat, and I just created some teardrops on it. This can be really fiddly, but if some of them really didn't go the way I wanted, I did cut them and make them look a better shape. So once I'd done that, I got some red paint and just painted them. Obviously do this when they have dried and gone hard. So once I've done this and the paint has dried, I then would peel them off, whatever I had them on, and then put some eyelash glue on the flat side of the tears and then glue them to my face. Moving on to the lips, I line them, absolutely shocking camera angle, but I use the MAC ProLongwear lip pencil in Dynamo, and the lipstick is Coral Tonic by Maybelline. As always, all the products I use will be linked in the description down below. Now it is wig time, and this took a lot of finessing, as you can tell, but a few clips later and a little bit of a tease, I think it came out quite cute. So this is the finished look. If you liked it, please let me know by pressing the like button down below and hitting the subscribe button so you do not miss any of my future tutorials. Also, if you didn't know, I'm doing the 31 days of Halloween challenge on my Instagram. So if you want to see some more Halloween looks, head over there. I have the link in the description down below, and you'll see a makeup look every day for this October. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
It's close to midnight, something evil who's lurking in the dark. Under the moonlight, you see a sight that almost stops your heart. You try to scream,